Hi, we're back with another Me Moment. Today we'd like to talk to you about Safco's wood adjustable literature organizers. These organizers are perfect for a variety of storage and organizational needs. Because the hardboard shelving is strong and easily adjustable, you can designate an area for bulkier items such as binders, catalogs, software, or books, while still offering an area for shared papers or other resources. They're perfect in settings such as the library, the classroom, office, mailroom, supply room, or even the lounge area. They're available in 16, 24, and 36 slot compartments, or a 32 slot compartment with drawers. The cabinetry is formed from compressed wood with a laminate finish and solid fiberboard backing. Labels are also included. What's particularly nice is that you can start with one or two and build or stack as your organizational needs grow. Thank you for joining us for this Me Moment. Please join us again to find out how Safco can help you work hard and play harder.